meant to be meant to be meant to be meant to be.
Okay, I'll be right back. And get me some food.
I'll be right back.
Is that star?
And get me some food.
Oh, oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Hi, babe. Okay. Looking like every other week. Okay. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, shit. There it is. Wow. There. Okay. I'm gonna have to start over because I screwed up the first time. Yeah. Well, that's okay. We're learning. Okay. Hmm. Recovery. What did I do? What did I? Please confirm. It looks like a crash. Yeah. Sure. Recovery mode. I don't know what that means. Um, which is a special mode that can help recover projects that crashed. Mm. Ow. Um, hmm. I don't know what. I have no idea what it's doing now. What did I do? Oh, I broke it. I had one job. Ugh. Shut it down. Yep. Redo. cool. I'm gonna try it again. Maybe. Well, I don't know. Okay. I'm gonna start the video all over because I feel even more confused.
Hi, and welcome to this new episode of the Idle Game tutorial series. In this one, we will be looking at how to make a passive generator that will create some results every second, every 2 seconds. That's for
I'm
you to
just
set up.
talking so light.
But
I
anyway,
can hear you.
a generator that creates resources over time, which is, in my opinion, far better option than clickers. But anyway, in order to do this, we just create a new tab to create a new scene, which will be a user interface scene again, and we will name it prototype generator. Let's save this prototype here, generator, and there we go. Since we don't need to manually click,
Bro.
hi, and welcome to this new episode of the Idle Game tutorial series. In this one, we will be looking at how to make a passive generator that will create some results every second, every 2 seconds. That's for you to set up. But anyway, a generator that creates resources over time, which is, in my opinion, far better option than clickers. But anyway, in order to do this, we just create a new tab to create a new scene, which will be a user interface scene again, and we will name it prototype generator. Let's save this prototype here, generator, and there we go. Since we don't need to manually click, we don't need to add a button.
Wild Anvil is great for any genre, but it's perfect for sci-fi and fantasy, speculative fiction, and historical.
But let's say that we still have a button to start the generator, right? But you don't need it. Let's position our button. Let's position our label. Alright, so the label is going to be Stardust. Line. Center, horizontal center, vertical center, and it's going to be header large in theme variation. I'm going to give it a 80 pixel minimum height, and we're good. As for the button,
Okay, so it's still fucked up. I don't understand what's wrong.
generating Stardust.
I can't delete it.
Yes. Then let's have a layout of 320 and 80 pixels, and I think that's it. Right, that's it. And the very last thing that we will need is a timer node. So the timer node isn't entirely necessary, because you can create your own timer within the script, but why bother when we have already a timer doing what we want, right? Let's create a script. Let's create a script that we will name prototype generator. There we go. The very first thing we need is a variable Stardust, which is going to be an int. And we're going to need two references, well, three references. A reference to our label, a reference to our button, and a reference to our timer. Actually, no. Yes, we do need a reference to timer. Let's export all these so we can bind them in the editor. Let's bind now the label, the button, and the timer. About the methods, we need, just like in the previous prototype, a create stardust method, which is going to be a void function, and will simply increase the stardust value by 1. Alright. We will have an update label text method that will be label.text equals stardust colon and property, and the property is going to be stardust. Right. This update label, we want to call it first in the ready function. We want to update our label, and also when we create stardust. So here again, update label, right?
Why? I'm confused.
Let's bind the signal from our button, just like we did in the first episode, by connecting and creating a new method, like this. And what we will do here isn't create stardust, but instead we will begin generating stardust. That's going to be a void, and we're going to pass at the moment. So let's link the two methods like this. Alright. And now we can look at this begin generating.
Now why are you acting like this?
Method. So what we need to do is to get this timer to start, right? So let's see what we have. Timer in the documentation. We have the method start, which is perfect. That's exactly what we need. So we're going to go with timer.start. Here we go. And also, we want to disable the button, right? So you can't spam click it and trigger those functions, even though they are not meant to be called
error will say, I don't know.
So button dot label will be now equal to true, right? There we go. Now the timer is running, but
oh my god, I don't know what happened. But the whole thing is wrong, or not wrong, but I don't know what's wrong with it. I'm mad at it. And it's obviously mad at me. Or is it because it's... like, what are we looking for here? Oh, what's happening? Let's see. Finding file system. Okay, what does it say? And that's what I said. For example, da 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 refers to. Uh huh. But why won't it? For example, zoom in. So there. I don't know what I just did. Oops. There. Okay. 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 So. Oh, what's the problem? Why do we seem lost? Okay. Yeah, and it's not working. Like, I can't even make a newer one. So, like, what's the problem? I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. Oh, um. I don't understand. What happened? Close it. It's not gonna be happy again. I don't know what to do. I'll look on Google again, but I feel like it's still not helpful. So, like, what am I supposed to do? Let's see. Is it? It has to be it, right? It has to be my stupid little thing. Should I unplug it and plug it back in? Let's try that. Let's, oop, and then plug it in. Because I feel like everything else is right. So why is it not acting right? um, ugh. Now it's doing the freeze thingy. Not responding. Why? Why is you acting like this? What is going on? Why? mm, wait, hold up, back up, back up. What? Is it this one? Yay! How? Yeah. I don't know what I did, but thank God we fixed it. Because I swear to ya, I was fucking done. Oh shit, it's still on the wrong one. Give me a second. I was about to give up. But I made it through. There you go. Yay! Okay. So now I should be able to fix it. Uh, wait, hold up. Something looks different. I think everything looks fine, but I do need to, yeah, one like this. Go, 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 go. And now let's try. Fuck yeah! Fuck yes! I did it! I did it!
Do you struggle with hitting high notes, lacking confidence, or connecting emotionally with your songs? I know
Nope.
how frustrating.
Oh shit, he's already labeling.
Sounds
Fuck. Wait, slow down, my man.
with the timer node. Obviously, with some more complex behaviors, we will need There we go, and I click the button, and yes, it started. So that's how we make passive generators, passive productions, the easiest way, right?
Right.
With the timer node. Obviously, with some more complex behaviors, we will need to create our own versions of the timers, right? And have more complex create stardust methods, but that's for later. The very last thing we will do is document our class. So it's a generator prototype generating and creating stardusts every second. We have a reference to the label displaying the current amount of stardust in storage. Alright, so we have a reference to the button starting the generation, and a reference to the timer, reference to the timer. Great. Then we have the current amount of stardust in storage.
Oh shit.
On ready function, we do initialize the label, the create function which creates stardust and store it. Then we have the update label, which is updates function.
You're kind of going too fast, my man. Slow it down. Okay. And then reference to button starting. These are the gen. Oh, hold up. In storage. In storage. Then period. This one is in reference to the amounts, right? To oh shit, he didn't finish it.
Reference to the timer. Right.
That's it? Fuck. The timer.
Then we have the current amount of stardust in storage. On ready function.
So this is current stardust. Oh, current. Wait, what? Oh yeah, current amount. Stardust in storage. Fuck. Michaela. Sorry. Okay. Mm-mm.
We do initialize the label, the create function which creates stardust and store it. Then we have the
the
update label,
label
which is
dot
updates the label text to
fuck
match the amount of stardust in storage.
it's
What do we have?
stardust. Wait,
We have a
oh,
method to start
create
the
star
timer and
dust
disable the button.
and store.
This one is triggered when the button the begin generating button is pressed. And last one triggered.
Okay, homeboy. Once again, going too fast. Slow it down. Updates. Text. Oops. Yeah, text. Text. To the wait. Text to match the current amount of stardust in storage. Boom. This one down. Okay, this one's to start the timer. Start. Oops. The timer. And disable. Is it disable timer? Oh, the button. Oh, I see. That's fucking annoying because I want to be able to turn it off or on. But oh well, I get it. This is triggered when the begin Gen Z. No, I'm just kidding. Button is pressed. Oop, that's not pressed at all. Pressed. And then the next one is pressed. No, trigger. When I don't know.
When the timer
When
time
the timer runs out.
Alright, so we have done a full class
Or
with
I guess
a very
time's out.
simple passive generator for stardust. And we have documented it in the right way. So now we can just commit this in our Git as usual, and that's gonna be a generator prototype.
Whoa, 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 back the fuck up. How did you do that?
So we have done a full class with a very simple passive generator for stardust.
Okay.
And we have documented it in the right way. So now we can just commit this in our Git as usual, and that's gonna be a generator prototype.
We're supposed to have a Git, because I don't have a Git. What the fuck is a Git? Ah, shit. Okay. Let's go hunt down a Git. Oh, is it this thing? 4. Build and ship software on a single. I don't know what that means. I'm confused. Do I really need this? Got him. Your work flows your way. Plan effectively and so it just organizes, correct? That's what I am seeing. From startups to enterprise. I'm confused. Scales with teams and any size in industry. What is this place? What the hell am I supposed to do with it though? Stardust. Thought we had it all, 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 thought we had it all. Oh. I need to play that song. Stardust, Stardust, I'm finding everything but the song I'm looking for. I thought it would be the first thing that'll show up, but I guess not. I assumed. I don't want their music video because it's so random as fuck. Lyrics are cute. Not YouTube advertising Jen's concert. Oh, I want to get it though.
I'm in the winter mood, dreaming of spring now.
had it all, thought we had it all so much. For stardust, thought we had it all, thought we had it all, thought we had it all, thought we had it all.
In another life, you were my
My
baby.
baby.
In another life,
You were the sunshine of a lifetime. Jade, I'm not sure.
In another life, you were my baby. In another life,
You were the sunshine of a lifetime. I'm not sure to be a real go-getter. Better song for stardust. We had it all, but we had it all. Stardust. Thought we had it all, thought we had it all. Thought we had it all, thought we had it all, thought we had it all. Oh. For stardust. Thought we had it all.
Granger knows that if you're a lineman in charge of keeping the lights
Granger.
on, you go to great lengths.
Who the fuck is Granger? The freaking horn section, yeah.
here I am, not sure you should take a chance. I like playing dumb, letting you figure me out. But I was faded in my own defense. So drop a bomb on all the things we dreamed about. Smash all the guitars till we see
All the stars
got
got through this year where that love charm. Till we see all the stars. Oh, charm.
trumpets bring the angels, but they never came.
Okay. Felt that.
Let them in 'cause they didn't know my
My
name.
name.
I know I keep my feelings so tucked away. Just another day spent hoping we don't fall apart. So drop a bomb on all the things we dreamed about.
Till guitars till we see all the stars. Oh.
life again. I'm just trying to keep it together, but it gets a little harder when it never gets better. I'm trying to keep it together, to keep it together, keep it together. Switch all the guitars till we see all the stars. Got to throw this year away, we got to throw this year away like a bad luck charm. Switch all the guitars till we see all the stars. Got to throw this year away, we got to throw this year away like a bad luck charm.
Damn. Hi. Do you like it so far? Did it hit you in the face yet? Oh. So you don't feel like it's humid outside? Like, you might as well just go outside for a walk.
You don't have to be a VIP to get more than just savings with Geico. Every customer gets 24/7 fast-friendly claim support.
Could I get a picture?
Yeah, it's not like you run into animal celebrities every day.
Stop.
Aww.
It's just a bug. Done.
Get more than just savings. Get more with Geico.
Leads don't
Yeah,
die
Marlon,
because they say
Geico.
no. They die because you said nothing. I had 10 warm leads in my inbox.
Well, good night.
Sometimes you wonder if
I'm gonna go back because I'm confused.
and saying that's the way the world it used to be before our dreams started busting at the seams. We're out here and we're ready. We're here and we're ready to live stream the apocalypse. I don't care if it's pretty, the view's so pretty from the dead. All the same good shit, yeah. Oh, 'cause everything is red except my
Serotonin.
everything is red, but my lightning bolt brain. Everything is red, but baby please, I just need someone to hold me. Even though you don't even know me, oh, I'm going beyond in the nighttime.
What a time to be alive. What a time to be alive. Time to be alive. You're so cute. Someone to hold you. What a time to be alive. Life. What a time to be alive.
What a time to be alive, to be alive.
That's cute. What's next? What a time to... Okay, I gotta pause that real quick.
After ending the video, I just remembered that I didn't commit the changes we made, so I think that's interesting to show you in case you didn't watch the introduction video, or if you're still not sure how to work the version controlling, but we're just gonna stage all the changes that we made. Why do we have project.go.change? Okay. You can check each and every new thing, right? If you want to say, okay, this will go in one commit, and this other change will go in another commit, but you can be a little bit more precise. Anyway, I will create a...
That was fucking confusing. Okay.
This is your brain when you're struggling to focus. And this is your brain when you're in the zone. But getting in the zone and staying there, that feels...
Well, I mean, sure, this video was like how to make a generator. So I made one. Do you want to see it? Like, I mean, it's nothing special. I'm just going down his little playlist of videos. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay. I think I can't. It's not showing up. That's wild. No, I did not freeze. I'm just really good at being still. Try it. Oops, that's not what I meant. Bruh. Okay, it just wants to be difficult, and I'm tired of it being difficult. So let's do the easiest way I know. Annoyingly enough. I think it's this one? No. This one? Yeah. Okay. And then switcheroo. Where is this switcheroo? Fuck. Up there. Boom. This is what I made. All I do is just push this button, and look, it's just adding stardust. That's it. I'm telling you, it was not that exciting. It was a lot of work, but it was not that exciting. It's needed. I definitely will need that. Maybe. Most likely in the game that I will make. Well, thank you, I guess. Oh, yeah. Well, I'm not surprised. Isn't like his job accounting? Doesn't he have to know something? I don't know. I know nothing about accounting.
Hi, and welcome to this episode
Welcome.
0 of this idle game tutorial series.
Mecha Break is now available with Google Play Games
I'm
on PC.
sorry.
Become
The project is
I like it loud.
I'm going to show you how to initialize a new
But I'll turn it down.
repository using the Kraken. So when you're on the new tab view, you want to create a repository and a local one. Okay?
Plus, this French guy's voice is so low, it's wild. It is on full volume. It's at the fullest. I would have to be yelling. Or not yelling, but I'll have to like have my voice higher or louder. Ah. For both or just for my mic? Oh. Even lower? That's crazy. Because I had it very low. I mean, I didn't have it very low. See? Isn't that the purpose? But I get you, I'll fix it. I'll fix. Okay, somehow I'm supposed to get the grip or grit. I don't. Okay, I'm assuming this grit stuff is just for like saving, like your work. I can't imagine it for anything else. It's a cute little dinosaur. He won it through Kraken, which I can't find it. But because isn't this Kraken stuff or whatever it's called? What is this? What is um okay, confusing. Everything's just okay. This one, Grit Kraken, legendary grit tool. I don't even know what a grip tool is, but okay. The creator of legendary grit tools for developers and teams. What is it for? Smarter workflows. Better developer experience. I don't know what this is for. Do I need it? Do I have to get it? Visualize grit, minimize mistakes. Unblock PR and code reviews. Manage multiple reposts. Visualize. Wait, I don't know what that means. Try a complex web of grid commands. Clear, navigatable map of your project's histories. So, like I thought, it's just Google Drive. So I can just put it on the Google Drive. No? It's fucking confusing. Wow. Oh shoot, he talks about it here.
So
Whoops.
creating a project is very simple because there's just one option you can choose from, right? So all you have to do is to take a name. So we're gonna name it Project Stardust for me, and I'm gonna add a little YouTube tag here, and I will.
Now you're blaming her when it literally said your name.
Folder. So that's the only option we choose from, which is, do you want a desktop, a mobile, or a hybrid application?
Sure she did. Okay. Great reappearance. Names are short and need inspiration. No, I do not, because it's default. Nay. None. Template. Choose which files not to track from a list of templates. I don't know what the fuck that means.
Basically. On this tutorial, I will just use desktop, so let's go with forward plus. And then you have, do you want to use a version control or not? And obviously, I do want to. So let's create and edit the project. So there we go. While the project is loading, I'm going to show you how to initialize a new repository using Gitkraken. So when you are
Repository.
you want to create a repository and a local one. Okay?
Why can't you sleep?
From there, you're just gonna create the repository with the
exact
same name, right? So it's gonna be.
Oh shit, I X'd out. Fuck. Wrong one. There. And then go back here. How did I get there? How did I get lost? Where the fuck am I? Here. Stop. You're fucking cheesy. Fucking cheesy.
The project Stardust YouTube.
Hold on. Project. Stardust. Ah. Oh.
And you want to initialize it in the Godot folder.
How do I do that? It doesn't ask that question over here.
So you wanted to create the folder in the folder that already exists created by Godot. Okay? You can choose another name for the main branch if you wish. And I'm just gonna ignore the gitignore template because Godot did it for us. So that's cool. Alright?
Pause. Hold that thought. There's something about actions. Wait. Oh. Hold. No. Shoes. No. Code. Quick setup. Oh, there we go. Sure. I don't give a shit. Let's go. Apparently, I don't need the Kraken. They're just cracking my leg. Release the Kraken. Authorize. Allow. Yes. What is it asking now? It's just this, bruh. Chill. Local changes. Okay, so how do I give you what I already have? Oh, this one. Right? Wait, go back.
Godot did it for us, so that's cool, right?
Yeah.
I'm just adding a little bit of styling to my commits. So here is just the initial commit, which is not important. Then we have Godot adding all those things, right, which are just like the basic resources of the project. So I'm just gonna commit this. I stage all the changes to the commit, and then I choose a commit message, which is just adding a little bit of styling to my commits already exist created by Godot. And
Back
you're
it up,
just
sir.
in tab view, you want to create a repository and a local one. Okay. From there, you're just gonna create the repository with the exact same name, right? So it's gonna be project stardust YouTube, and you want to initialize it in the Godot folder. So you want it to create the folder in the folder that already exists created by Godot. Okay, you can choose another name for the main branch if you wish, and I'm just gonna ignore the gitignore template because Godot did it for us, so that's cool. Alright, I'm just adding a little bit of styling to my commits. So here is just the initial commit, which is not important. Then we have Godot adding all those things, right, which are just like the basic resources of the project. So I'm just gonna commit this. I stage all the changes to the commit, and then I choose a commit message, which is initial Godot commit. There we go. And I commit. The point of using version control is that at any moment in history you can go back to an older version that you have created of the application. So here we already have two versions, one without Godot and one with just Godot and nothing more. And at the end of the episode we will have another version again. The point of this is that if the project becomes corrupted or if you mess up in a big way, you always have the opportunity to come back in time. Also, it allows you to create sort of parallel branches where you can test things without impacting the main branch of the project. So anyway, let's jump back to Godot and check what we have in here. So we already have this little warning here, which I hate because I don't use Blender and having a random warning is annoying. So I'm gonna remove this by going in the project settings.
Hold up. Okay, now I see. I think I fixed. Now redo.
Repository using the Kraken. So when you're on the new tab view, you want to create a repository and a local one. Okay? From there, you're just gonna create the repository with the exact same name, right? So it's gonna be Project Stardust YouTube. And you want to initialize it in the Godot folder. So you want it to create the folder in the folder that already exists created by Godot. Okay? You can choose another name for the main branch if you wish. And I'm just gonna ignore the gitignore template because Godot did it for us. So that's cool.
Whole dots.
I'm just adding a little bit of styling.
Pause. Okay, this will be pro jot stardust, like he said. Oops. There. Okay. Create. Thought we had it all, thought we had it all, thought we had it all. This is currently only available on your local machine. By publishing it on and you can share it and collab with others. Why would I do that? Anyway. So what next?
To my
Question P. What the fuck was that noise? It's terrifying. Aww. Oh, thank you for the wave. 3. Yeah, even though I suck at this bitch. It'll be nice. I mean, I guess. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, right now I am trying to do this, figure out how to do the grit thingy, how to save shit on the grit thingy. And it's too hard because the guy that I'm watching, he's using the Kraken, but I'm trying to use the hub. Because I assume that's easier. But it seems like, because I don't know any information or anything about them, I'm going in circles. But I can figure it out. I think so. Hope so. Maybe. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know if it's just for sprites because like he's trying to do the whole thing, like the whole project, the whole like 9 yards inside of that one. But I guess yeah. But because I didn't watch his first video, uh, I don't know. You probably know a lot more than me. I am just now getting into this stuff. Well, thank you. Part of my collection. Oh, cool. Thank goodness. I'm not the only noob here. But this is so hard. I mean, it's easy, but hard at the same time. But all I want to do is just make a cute little bunny mobile game. That's my end goal. Is make a cute little bunny game. True, true. True, true. True, true. I thought I could just jump in, but you're right. You're right. I just had to screw myself over. You're right. So now I have everything that we already did like 2 projects. And I'm like, okay, I'm good. But then he's like, oh, now we gotta go put it in da 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 da. And I'm like, oh no. I'm gonna have to go all the way back and figure out how to put it in my existing without having to start all over. But it's okay. I think brute force, I can get this. Maybe. Yeah. Yeah. It's a lot to take in. Just a lot to absorb, but it's quite fun. This is my new obsession. Because, like, usually I play Osu and get obsessed with that. But right now, I am obsessed with this. It's just constant. The early days. Bruh. So you're not new. You're pretty well versed in this, correct? Gotta read. What? You lied to me. That's not pretty new. I mean, you already got the basics down. You already got something down. This, I just started yesterday. Or 2 days ago. I had a little raid come in. Yeah. But then again, I dabbled in stupid coding like years ago. But let me tell you, back when my ADHD was not medicated, wow, I fucking hated it. Hated every little bit of it. Now that I'm more medicated, it's so much easier. I'm like, hey, okay. Hey, ADHD fam. That's what's up. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's always nice to get medicated when you're supposed to be and not decline help. Kiki. I don't get it. This is starting to hurt my head. So somehow, I need to put what I have already into this box here. This? Oh. Yeah, I don't know why I did all that. But I can't get rid of it now. I don't know what I did. Can I do that? Can I do that? What's this? Save? Okay. Fuck. Oh, I shouldn't be touching and poking things. What's this do? Ooh. Oh, wait. Already was there. What's new branch? Will based on your currently. Okay. What does that mean? Fuck. I don't know. Day 1? Branch? What did I do? Did that even do anything? It didn't do shit. No, I'm confused. Okay. Is it possible to just, or do I need to import? No. Wait. No. Is it? Oh. I don't have a process. Like I said, I just started like yesterday. So yes, all the help is needed. All of it. Give me whatever. If it's just saying color a fucking cloud blue, I'll do it. It's still helpful. I don't wanna publish it. It ain't there's nothing there yet. I just wanna be able to like, okay. So like I already made the the little prototype control little file off the go dot whatever it's called. However, I think the idea that the guy over on this screen wants me to like do is save it on the GitHub or like have it in there to organize. But how am I supposed to do that if like I don't like I don't know how to put I don't know how to connect them. Oh, version control. Okay, okay. So do I just do save as into that thing instead or uh okay, 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 okay. I get it. I get it. So I found this little tab. Hold on. Let me switch back over. Run the program there. And push the changes. Track da 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 da. Okay. I think. Okay, I think I found. Hold on. Okay, so like, cause you said, fuck, you can't even see it. But basically, the version. Wait, yeah, version control. So that means I should create / override version control metadata, or just go to the version control settings. It's saved in my external drive, hard drive. No, I just downloaded the hub. So, no. Okay. Okay. Oops. And then yeah, I did it. Now, oh shit. Okay, so I made this one, but I saved it to the folder next to it. Or do you want me to save? Wait, I'm so confused again. Okay, I'll just redo it. Okay. It's next to it. I put it in the folder next to it. I don't know. Okay, because like he made us make two folders, one for scripts and one for scenes. So it's in the main folder, like the big folder, where I put the whole go dot thingy in. Oh. Okay. Okay. E. Okay. Okay. And then create, or do I have to do something else? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. It's created. Now what? Oh. Okay. Do. Burr, burr, burr. Okay. Okay. Save. Hmm. Uh. I thought I did, but I'll try again. Doot doot. And then there. Then save. Okay. Saved it. I'm so confused. I think I did something. Changes. Okay. 'Kay. 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 'K I see, I see. So then, so yeah, these? No. Oh my god. Okay, so how do I change it? Mm. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Wait, 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 wait. Wait, damn. Okay. I clicked it. Oh. Can I just do this? Oh shit, that doesn't work. Never mind. Like clicking. Okay, okay. Delete. Delete. Okay. Save. Okay. What if it isn't? You know? What if I might have put it in the wrong area then? What do I do? How do I get it out of there? Do I have to just make a new one? All over again? Because, this is how it's saved. Or this is how it looks in the thingy. How I saved it. However, what in tarnation? make a new one. And oh, like that. I put P. PG backup. Create. Save. You too. Good night. Sweet dreams. Mm-hmm. Right click. And then open. Wait. This one? It takes me where I saved the folder. Is it because I accidentally touch like this thingy? I changed the path to a not the right path, I guess. But it like won't it won't let me like stay here. If that makes sense. Like this is a open. Oh shit. Then I screwed up. Oh no. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. It is. See. Hold on. I lost it. This one? Submarines. And pathing up to that name should be the local path. No, that's not it. Oh, okay. Okay. Um, kind of. It takes me to its folder, when, but its folder, it is in the same folder as the one on the Go dot. Kind of. Oops, that's not it. Let me copy again. Copy and paste. Yep, that's where I put it. It's exactly the same. Damn. I did something. Oh. The system hates me. I'm pretty sure. I can feel it in my bones. The system hates me. I want to believe you. The last time you lied. Do 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 do. Remove. Punishment. Oops, not you. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. What you? Do 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 do. A one, a two, a three. How many looks? So you get to the center of this light bulb. Oh my god. Oops, no, this one, yeah. Oops. It's the best path I can give you. I don't know what you give me such problem. Okay. Nothing. Nada. Ah. How bad do I need this? You know, like, how bad do I really need this? Can I just skip it? Bruh. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay then. Onward to the next video. Finally. Oh shit, hold on. Oh, it's with the commercials.
Welcome back to our idle game tutorial series.
The Frenchman.
In this episode, we will make a very basic user interface that will allow us to add stuff to the game more and more without ever running out of space. Also, in the meantime, I will show you some of the very best nodes there is in Godot to organize.
I didn't know he was popular like that.
On your screen,
okay.
Without having to manually position items and think about, this amount of pixels between each things, and then what is the X position, Y position, etc. etc. I just wanted to say, if you want to use the chapters, they are in the description, because at the moment YouTube doesn't allow me to use the chapter feature, so you can't have the chapters within the video in and of itself, right? So you have to check the description for this. Okay, so let's go with making a user interface. So we will begin by creating a new scene, right?
Oh my god, a new one.
That scene we will name user interface.
Okay.
Let's save it in a new folder, which will be user interface folder, and well, save this at the root. It seems quite good. Alright, so for this layout we will be using a very simple one with a left panel that we will use for navigation and showing resources, and a main view which will take the rest of the screen. So let's create those two nodes, shall we? With the left panel and the main.
Oh shit, hold on. I forgot to save it. Okay, go to save. Wait, new folder. New folder. User face. Got it, got it. Save in it. Boom, done. Now what? Oh wait, another control thingy. Okay. Got it, got it.
Main view. That's gonna be control node, but we will name it main view. So we have.
Oh, two controls. Okay. Oh. Hold on. Wait.
Panel.
Not the accent. Okay.
And
left P, because we're gonna push P.
Main view. Okay.
Oh. And main view. Main V. No. View. Beautiful.
In order to position those two children, we will use a special node which we name HBox container.
Oh. H box container. Okay.
The horizontal box container will basically position all the children from the node horizontally, right? So
I don't
we'll
know.
pick the box and give it the full rect anchor. This way it will take all the available space, and here it is the entire screen.
It's fun.
And then we just have to move left and main view into the HBox container. So now they are children of the container, and we have this, right? So as you can see, our two children, left panel and main view, they have no white, which is expected at the moment. And
wait, hold up. Did we do something? How do we do that?
Children left
Hold up.
main view into the full rect anchor. This way it will take all the available space, and here it is the entire screen. Right? And then we just have to move left and main view into the HBox container. So now they are children of the container, and we have this. Right?
How come we just didn't do that the first time? Just make this first and then these.
Children, left panel and main view, they have no white, which is expected at the moment. And this is based on how the HBox container works.
Imagine being able to build anything just by thinking about it. Meet Base 44.
Right?
Meet Base 44.
Simple. The container has some space available, which is this, right? And it will try to position the children based on their need, right? So there is a kind of discussion between the container and the children. So it kind of goes as follows. The container gets the children. It asks them, how much white do you need? Then the children answers, in our case, I need 0 and I need 0. So the container is like, okay, you have both 0 and 0 because that's in the space I have, and I will give it to you, right? So we have to configure our children here to allow them to tell to their parents how much space they need. So the left panel here will give it a minimum X size of 240, and there it is. Now it takes some space there, right? The next one, we can make a subtraction between the size of the screen and subtract 240. That really wouldn't be the best way, because HBox Container comes with a setting which is absolutely perfect. It's the possibility to have the children saying, please give me all the space available you have. So this comes under the layout category, and you go into container sizing, and you have this horizontal expand checkbox here. So if you check this, there it is. It basically asks the parent, please give me all the space you have. Okay? We will see very quickly what happens when several children ask for space. That will be soon, don't worry. So there it is. We have the left panel and the main view. Just to make it a little bit more visual, I will add a separator, which is a built-in node, and I will add a vertical one, which I will position in between those two objects. Alright? So if I run the scene, you can see that we have a vertical bar right there. So you can leave it like this if you wish. I actually like to have a little bit of blank space at the edges of the separator, so I use a margin container. Okay? I put the separator within the margin container, which at the moment does nothing because it's not set up, but I can go in the margin container settings, in theme overrides, constants, and there I can define some margins, which will be 16 pixels for top and 16 pixels for bottom. Right? Now my little bar here has some empty spaces here, which I tend to enjoy at the moment, so why not? That's it. So here we have the main view, and here we have the left panel. What we will...
Hold up. What just happened? Okay.
So you can
and then
leave
he
it like
added.
this, if you wish. I actually like to have a little bit of blank space at the edges of the separator, so I use a
margin.
A margin container. Okay? I put the
up here, and then he puts this in here. Got it.
The separator within the margin container, which at the moment does nothing because it's not set up, but I can go in the margin container settings, in theme overrides, constants, and there I can define some margins, which will be 16 pixels for top and 16 pixels for bottom. Right? Now...
Nope. Hold up. Where am I supposed to go again?
It's not set up, but I can go in the margin container settings, in theme overrides, constants, and there I can define some margins, which will be 16 pixels for top and 16 pixels for bottom. Right? Now my little bar here has some empty spaces here, which I tend to enjoy at the moment, so why not? That's it. So here we have the main view, and here we have the panel.
That's it.
What we will do is, on this left panel, we will have a little navigator with some links, which will allow us to switch between views. And at the bottom, we will have a sort of recap of the resources we have available, right? So to do this, we will have a VBox container, which this time is vertical, inside our left panel. I ask my VBox to take the entire available space. And it's not going to take the entire string this time, it's just going to take the space given by the parent. Alright? So there we are. Let's add our two control nodes, which are navigator and resources. So we have navigator and resources. Alright? Now, what we can do, because even though we know the height of the screen, we can ask both children to take the entire available space. And in that situation, what the container will do is, alright, I have two children asking for space, so I will give them both
Why is the
half
caps on?
of what I have. I will split it equally. That's what it does. So by expanding both, you can see they take half top and half bottom. Again, I will just add a little separator in between, just to make things a little bit clearer visually. So we have an H separator, like this. There we go. So if I run the project, here we can clearly see the three areas we have created. One here, and one here.
Wait.
Just to make it a little bit more visual, I will create...
Slow down. Hold up. Okay, this one. How do I change it? Change. H. So horizontal separator. Got it. Oop. That's not it. There we go. Okay. Ooh.
Take information for the moment. So let's add, well, for the navigator and the resources, they will need their own VBox container again to organize.
God damn. Okay. Wow. Okay. Okay. 1, 2. Cool. You go into here. Cool.
Both.
Oh shit. I'm not done. Wait. What? Hold up. What? What? Hold up. What's happening? Why does it look like it doubled? Oh, fuck, it did. Shit. Okay, so that means delete. Yes. Delete. Yes. Oh god, confused again. Delete. Okay. Well. All the way to here. Right? Because they are, yeah. Delete. Okay, so. Gator. Wait. Something looks off. Do we have 2 navigators? No. Where the fuck you come from? Delete. Okay. You don't go under. Right? There we go. Then, Then each one goes, right? Yeah. Put up. And then this one. Put up. Oh, wait. Hold up. Am I crazy? Why is this? Why is it so tiny? What did I do? Oh no.
The links and the resources. So let's add a
Keep trying to speed up the process.
Link button. That's
link.
And let's add some text, which will be, let's say, prototype generator, right? So this will be a link to prototype generator. And in resources, we will have a bit more visual.
Go back.
I will create fake information for the moment. So let's add, well, for the navigator and the resources, they will need their own VBox container, again, to organize both the links and the resources.
Yeah, but what happened? What did I
So let's add a fake link, shall we? Link button, let's go. And let's add some text, which will be, let's say, prototype generator, right?
Something
So
doesn't look right.
To prototype generator.
What did I do?
We have created one here, and
this
one here.
Goes under you. That.
Just to make it
then
a little
you
bit more
go
visual,
here.
I will create
like that.
Fake information for the moment.
No, wait,
so
what?
Let's add, well, for the navigator and the resources, they will need their own VBox container, again, to organize both the links and the resources. So let's add a fake link, shall we? Link button, let's go. And let's add some text, which will be, let's say, prototype generator, right? So this will be a link to prototype generator. And in resources, we will have, again, a VBox container.
Oh.
And we will add a label there. Let's size those nodes. That's
there.
Well, we don't need to name it since it's
okay. Wait.
info, but
what the fuck just happened again?
And let's say 15. Right?
No. Pause. I did something wrong. Very, very wrong. Okay. Oh, I somehow got this pretty looking thing. You going?
And to enjoy at the moment, so why not? That's it. So here we have the menu, and here we have the left panel. What we will do is, on this left panel, we will have a little navigator with some links, which will allow us to switch between views. And at the bottom, we will have a sort of recap of the resources we have available, right? So to do this, we will have a VBox container, which this time is vertical, inside our left panel. I ask my VBox to take the entire available space. And
Oh
it's
shit,
not
I
going to
forgot.
take the entire screen this time. It's just going to take the space given by the parent. Alright? So there we are. Let's add our two control nodes, which are navigator and resources. So we have navigator and resources. Alright? Now, what we can do is, even though we know the height of the screen, we can ask both children to take the entire available space. And in that situation, what the container will do is, alright, I have two children asking for space.
Oh, I did not see him do that. Okay. How do you get there again? No. Where the fuck is it?
So I will give them both half of what I have. I will split it equally. That's what it does.
Resource. Right?
So by expanding both...
Wait, hold up. Why is it... Oh shit. Wait. V-Box. Yeah. Are you connected? No, you're not. You're supposed to be connected to the V-Box. Okay. Bam. It's not the same. Okay, cool. Wait. Why is that long? Why is that long? Why does mine look so rectangular?
You can see they take half top and half bottom. Again, I will just add
I'll just say mine's cuter.
a little separator in between.
To separator. Oh. How did that happen? Wait. Well, why does it look like that? Why is it so fat?
Just to
Okay. Oh wait.
make things a little bit...
Okay. Where do you put that here? He said, whoa. That's why. Okay. 16. 16.
clearer visually. So we have an H separator, like this.
Yay!
There we go. So if I run the project, here we can clearly see the 3 areas we have created. One here, and one here.
Still mine's fatter.
Just to make it a little bit more visual, I will create fake information for the moment. So let's add, well, for the navigator and the resources, they will need their own VBox container, again, to organize both the links and the resources. So let's add a fake link, shall we? Link button, let's go, and let's have some text, which will be, let's say, prototype generator, right? So this will be a link to prototype generator. And in resources, we will have again a VBox container, and we will add a label there. Let's size those nodes. That's gonna be, well, we don't need to name it since it's fake info, but Stardust, and let's say 15, right? So now we have fake infos in there, right? It's a little bit too close to the edges, right? So maybe we could add some margins in there by just adding a margin container that will take the entire space with, let's say, 16 pixel on each side, and drop the vertical box in.
So many marginals. Okay. Okay. And he wants this to be what? Oh, 16 all around. 16. 16. 16. 16. Okay. Then go inside here.
There. And just do the same.
Okay, do the same for this one. Sixteen. 16. Go inside here. Yeah. Okay, now what?
For this node with 16 pixels on each side. And that would be great.
Oh. I forgot. Cha. And then this one? No. This one. Cha. Cool. Now what?
There we go. Drag and drop the resources. Run the currents in, and then
Hold up. Why is there a label? You put a label for the other one. Why the fuck did I put it? Is that what he said? Is to put a label?
right.
I
So
was
this
not
will be a
listening.
link to prototype generator. And in resources, we will have again a VBox container.
Okay.
And we will add a label there. Let's size those nodes. That's gonna be, well, we don't need to name it since it's fake info, but Stardust, and let's say 15. Right.
Go ahead. Ooh.
So now we have fake infos in there, right? It's a little bit too close to the edges, right? So maybe we could add some margins in there by just adding a margin container that will take the entire space with, let's say, 16 pixel on each side, and drop the vertical box in there.
Let's
and just do the same.
Oh, looks like it's coming along. I'm gonna go get some sleep, but thank you. Thank you for helping me too.
And that would be great.
I should probably get some sleep too.
Resources. Run the currents in, and there we go. We have a link, we have resources showing here, and we have the main view. And what's quite cool right now is that we already have created a main view to put in there, so we don't have to get fake infos, sort of. So what we do is we just blah blah blah. I've never used right click. Instantiate chasing. Yeah, that works. So you can right click and instantiate a chasing, or you can just drag and drop any scene you want to put as a children of this node in main view here. Alright?
What do you want though?
So
Oh
this is how
shit.
scenes work.
We're getting wow.
A root node with many children nodes. And
oh shit, wrong one.
A node can both be a root or a child, well, you can have a scene being a child of another scene.
Can I change it? Or do I have to delete it?
Allow you to nest things like this. So here, the prototype generator that we did is contained in this one node, right?
Let me try this again.
Click this little button here to edit it.
We're getting serious.
I call it optimized. My AI employees do more in a day than I used to do in a week. I've tried the whole hustle culture
as
shut up
an individual, right? So this is how you kind of build all your little block scenes together into bigger scenes, and on the end into a game, which we will happen to do.
We're getting closer.
So there we go. Now I can just run the scene. But as you can see, our prototype here was already set up to take the entire space given by the parent. So it fits quite perfectly in there.
Yeah.
And we can have it work just like it used to work, except that this label here isn't connected, so it won't update. This will come in a data refactoring video very soon as well. So there it is.
Hey.
We have our very first basic UI in here.
Yay!
And the next thing we need to do is to have a functional navigator, right? Right now the navigator is fake, and that's what we will be doing in the next video. So this one was rather quick because we didn't have to make any script. So yeah, let's just commit everything we've done. So it's just, yeah, one scene actually, so it's rather small commit, if I can say. And that will be basic UI layout. Yeah, let's go with this. Alright, and that's it. Where's Godots? Godots here. Well, thank you for watching.
Yay! Oh, UI means user interface. I just realized that. Okay, okay. Hey. We're getting closer! I'm so excited! Yay! Okay. I don't know if I should continue. I don't know if I should just... I'm so pumped. It's so pretty. Oh my god. I did this. Oh my god. I love it. How old is his videos? Oh, yeah. Oh, should I do the next one? Oh my goodness, I don't know. Should I just stop? So beautiful. So beautiful, so beautiful. Look at all those chickens. Oh, I forgot to save. Save. Oh, I think it already saved. Oh, it still didn't save. Boop, 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 boop. I could just cry. Oh, I don't know. How long's the next one? 15 minutes? I could do it. No, wait. I have to pee though. Fuck. Crystal Factory. Navigate between views. Sounds interesting. Sounds promising. Oh, wait. Oh, this is 22 minutes. Goddamn. Okay. 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 I can't even do rock, paper, scissors. Okay. How am I gonna do this? Any, mini, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by its toe. If he hollers, let him go. Any, mini, miny, mo. Well, okay. Bubblegum, bubblegum in a dish. How many pieces do you wish? 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I feel like that was the same. Okay. To be honest, I don't even know what I chose because I did not set it up yet. Oof, 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 ooh. Oh, okay. I can save this for later. I know for a fact I can save it for later. I could do this later. I'll be here tomorrow. Okay. Bye, everyone. I've had fun. This is great fun. Fantastic fun. Amazing. Oh, wow. I'm a programmer. Who would have thought? Me. I'm just kidding. Anyway, have a nice night, day, morning, evening. Yeah. Be good.